Hello, good people. Welcome to today's tutorial. So once more, I want to thank you for being my subscriber to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and comment, share, and give us a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up to the video. So today I'm going to have a demonstration on how you can uh, password password protect folder in Windows 10. So for example, here if you can be able to see, I have quite a number of folders here. Within those folders, they have different files, but to me, much more important folder is my personal drive, because this file here has got important files to me that I do not want anybody to interfere with it. So I'll be able to protect this. I'll be able to protect these files so that in any case someone has access to my folder, they can not be able to access these files very easily. So meaning they are well protected with a password that is only me who has it, but no any other person can be able to have it. So the reason why I'm doing this demonstration is quite a number of people are struggling with this because they try to install third party or other softwares or application to be able to protect their folders. But in this case, I don't need that. I'll be able just to demonstrate for you. So the first step that we are going to do once I've opened this folder, I'm going to create in a new file in here. Go to right click on your keyboard, just right click on the mouse, then go to new. Don't create folder. We have quite a number of options here. Just click on text document. So once you have that text document, give it a name, a folder lock. Sorry, folder lock. Once you give it a name, save it in that manner. Double click it. Once you double click it, it will open up a notepad window will open up. Then paste a code. So the code that I'm going to paste in here, I'll be able to demonstrate where I'll be able to have that code from the GitHub. So I'll be able to provide the link where you can be able to have that, or where you can be able to retrieve that kind of code that you can be able to paste in your text file or in the notepad or on the notepad. So once you've done that, I want to highlight an area of the code that is much important, where we'll be able to set our password here. If not, percentage password, percentage is equal is equal signs, double is equal sign, your password got to fail. So here where it is indicated your password, this is where we are going to set up our password. But ensure at the in between the equal sign and your text, there is space, and at the end of your text, or where at the end of your password, also give a space is much important. So we are going to have our password as pass for just a demonstration. 1 2 3 4. So that will be our password. Remember, do not forget that. It's very much important. Then once we've done that, then we are going to change or save we are going to save our file again. So we're going to save it as save as, then we save it in a new format, or we are going to change now the file, or we are going to save it again in a different format. So basically that's what you need to do, and kindly follow, subscribe, try this, comment once you've watched this video, kindly subscribe. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. If you are my subscriber, kindly give us a thumbs up, comment to this video, and try it by yourself. And kindly, I would want to see your feedback. So we are going to give it a name. So what we are going to do, we are going to change, instead of .txt, we are going to change this file to a batch file. For us to be able to do that, we are going to change it to BT. BAT means that now file is going to change as a batch file. Then save as type, we are going to change that to all. Once you save that, then save it. You can be able to see here on our file, the file name has changed to folder lock.bat as a batch file. Then close that. Once you've closed that, you will go back to where your file is or where your folder is. Then you will realize that that file has been created. So the next thing is to double click on the batch file, right? The one that you've saved. Double click on it. Once you double click on it, that something that surprises you, or that's something that will surprise you, is that a private folder will be created. So once that private folder is created, drag all your files in there. Move them in there like that. Then once they are moved in there, double click, you will see all your files are in here. Once that is done, go back, then double click on your batch file again. Once you double click on your batch file again, you will realize that the CMD command line will be enabled. Once it is enabled, there will be a writing on the command line. Are you sure to lock this folder? Do you want to lock the folder? Say yes. Then enter. Type in Y, then enter. Once you've done that, now the private folder is locked. For you now to enable and to be in a position to access the files that you've protected in the private folder, you need to double click the batch file. Then the CMD or the command line will be enabled, and it will ask you to type in the password. So we are going to type in our password. Pass1234. Then our private folder will be enabled, and we can be able to read or open some of the files that we want within that folder. So that's how to protect your files that are much important to you on your PC. And kindly try this. Let me know. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe, share more of this video to your friends, and comment and gives it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.